Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to continue with you daily practice 1, grade 8 learners maths. So you will have 20 seconds for each question to try. If you need extra time, please pause video and try. Question 1. First of all, what they are asking, let's check. From these all numbers, we are going to choose a prime number, a square number, and so on. So please try. You have 20 seconds to choose each number. Yes, let's continue. Please try. First of all, remember, before you start answering our questions, please take your exam pad or something, just write it down or some whiteboard, something, but just please get it and write it down and then you can try. Okay, this is our question. We are looking for prime number, square number. So let's see. First one. Okay, now you are going to correct your answers. Please try first and then check correct answers. First one is coming, a prime number. Which one is prime number from list? Number 19. And square number is, of course, 25. And then -1 is that one, and non-real number 5/0. Question 1 done. Let's continue with next question. So we are looking for, okay, question 2, point A. So this is our question. Prime factors we are looking for 275 and 350. For each, you are gonna try. As you know, you start divide by 2 and then 3 and 4, 5. Just you are trying each number. All right. So one more time, let's remind you, if you need extra time, please stop video and then complete your answer first. And please try first for each question. All right, let's continue. Now, we are going to answer this question. 275. Let's get prime numbers for each. What we can do now, okay, let's write it down. 275, our number is 275. First of all, we are trying with 2. But this number is not possible with 2, but let's try 3. 3, it's okay or not. Let's check. How you know just get divided by 3 or not? You are adding numbers, but 3 also will not work. 4 will not work. Straight, we are going to 5. So divide by 5. So what we can get? 275/5. What we can get, first of all, in 75, just let's calculate it. So we have 55. 275/5. You are getting 55. Divide by 5 one more time. You are getting 11. And divide by 11 and getting 1. So our prime numbers for 275, 5, 5, and 11. So now 350. Let's try 350 prime numbers for 350. Divide by 3. So sorry, we are going to start with 2. Divide by 2, what we are going to get? 375. And then, what about now? 3 will not work, 4 will not work. Straight, we are going to 5. Divide by 5 in 15. So 3 times. And then what's left to 35. So divide by 5 one more time and you are getting 7, and divide by 7 you are getting 1. I hope it is okay. So to get prime numbers, prime factors, we are looking for 2. Just check with 4. 275 divide by 2, you can do it or not. Just checking with 2, 3, 4, 5, just so on. And okay, this is our answer to point A. Let's continue with the next question. Now they're asking you guys, now highest common factor, highest common HCF. We are looking for HCF. I'm just keeping these answers here because we are going to use it now. Your 20 seconds starts now. So please try first. For each question, we should try. Okay, our time is over, but you can carry on, of course, if you need extra time. Okay, now let's see our answer. We are looking for HCF. To get HCF, we are gonna just check which one, when you just get which numbers same. Which one, just divide, as you see, 2, only for this one, we cannot use it. 5, 5, yes, we can use this. And this 5, let's write 1, 5. And then another 5 is here, another 5 is here. So times by 5 and equals 25. I can write because 11 different, 7 different. If you have 11 this side and that side, we are going to use 11 also. But now, first 5 and second 5, and you are using 5 times 5. And our answer, 25 HCF equals here. All right, so that's our answer for 2.B. Let's continue with next question. Let's see what we have. Wow, calculator following number, okay, without using a calculator. Good luck. You have 20 seconds to try. Let's see what you are gonna do now. Calculating -9 minus -5. What's your answer? Let's see. You are getting correct answer or you are getting lost. I hope you will get correct answer. All right. So let's answer together now. One more time. Last time I'm reminding you, please try first. Okay. So for this question, what we can do, first of all, we can just remove all brackets. Let's say equals, okay, let's use color red, -9 and negative, we should multiply them. If you multiply them, negative times negative making positive. All right, let's remember that. Positive times negative making negative, and negative and positive, of course, the same thing, negative, and positive times positive making positive, negative and negative making positive. Okay, if you have two different signs, so positive and negative, negative, positive, you are getting negative. All right. But if you have same sign, positive, positive, or negative, negative, making positive. Same, positive, different, negative. Okay. So negative, negative, making positive, and we have +5. Okay, what's our answer now? Answer is -4. How we are getting it? Just choose bigger number. Okay, it is our bigger number is 9. It is negative, so we are writing negative here. And minus from one to another. Please don't add by mistake. So differences, 9 minus 5 you are getting. If you have, for example, let's say +9 minus 5, you are going to get, of course, +4. Bigger number, just using bigger number sign and differences you are getting. All right, so our answer is -4. I hope your answer also correct. Let's continue with next question. Next question is coming now. Okay, please try. It is time to get 20 seconds now. If you want to get something right, good mark, please try. I said last time, but I want to remind again. So please try. So that's our question. If you need extra time, you can have extra time, of course. So now let's try this question. Same steps we are going to use. First of all, we can remove our brackets here. So we have -4. And what we said, if you have differences here, positive and negative, what we said, one more time, let's remember, positive, negative, 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 positive, negative, and negative, negative making positive, and positive making positive. All right, as you see, we have positive and negative here. Of course, you are getting negative 8 minus 8. And so we have plus 2 here. So if there is no sign, you can just use plus, positive. So positive and negative. Guys, what we have, positive and negative, making negative 6. So next one, let's continue. Negative 4 and negative 8. If you have same sign, just like the same, you are adding them. Okay, for example, if you have 4 plus 8, what you are going to do, you know already, you are just adding them because both of them positive. Same thing for negative side. Okay, if you have negative and negative, you are adding them, okay? If you have difference, most positive and negative, subtract from each other and they're using bigger one. Remember question A, so 3.8. And but now you have negative and negative. If you have negative and negative, you are adding them. So 4 plus 8 getting negative 12. Negative 12 or negative 6. What's our answer? Plus 2. All right. Why plus 2? Let's try to explain. Why plus 2? Just like this one. Okay, let's use just different color. So if you have, as you see what we said, positive and negative, making negative when you multiply them. Negative, positive, negative, 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 positive, 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 negative. But now you divide them. So if you have negative number one or negative, we can say negative and negative making positive. And same thing, positive divided by positive, making positive. Same thing. If you have same stuff, getting positive. If you have different one, for example, negative 1 over positive 1 or negative over positive, we can say, getting negative 1. If you have positive divided by negative, you are getting negative. All right. Remember, if you have same stuff, just like negative, negative, and positive, positive, your answer is positive. If you have negative, positive, or positive, negative, your answer is negative. All right. So let's continue with next question. So daily practice, I think it's our last question for today. So every day, please come and try our questions every day. So we are going to try to add more videos, more lessons for you, but you should try. If you want to learn, of course, you should try. All right, let's get our 20 seconds. Please try this question now. That's 5 seconds. Now time is going. Time is up. So time's up. Now we are gonna try together. So as you know, you can stop video, you can carry on to answer if you need extra time. Let's answer together. So how can we get answer for this question? We need more space. Okay, let's remove this. We don't need from now. Okay, so first of all, let's check our numbers. As you say, you have here 25, square root 25. What does mean square root? So first of all, 25 we know, 5 square. So square root means 1 over 2. All right. So 2 divide by 2. And 2 times 1 over 2, what we are getting, 5 power of 2 over 2 is equal to 5, 1, and then 5. It is long way, just to understand. Just writing with long way, but normally 25 is going out with 5. Okay, first one is 5. And minus, next one. So now you have, okay, let's change our color. Negative 8. What is negative 8? Negative 2 power of 3. Okay, why? Because negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, you are getting negative 8 minus 8. So you can write for negative 8, negative 2 power of 3 by 3. So you can write negative 3 power of 3 over 3. So this one divided by this number. So as you see, this side, 5 square over if there is no number, we know we have 2, right? So 2 over 2, 1, 5 power of 1, and then you are getting 5. Now, negative 2 power of 3 over 3. Why? Because we have 3 here. All right. So you are getting negative 2. So, but in brackets, please don't forget negative 2. Okay. And the next one, negative 2 power of 2. Answer is positive 4. Why? Because negative 2 times negative 2 making positive 4. You remember? Negative times negative making positive. All right, same sign, just getting positive. And then we have plus 4. Okay, let's continue. And let's just clear all. And we need this. It's all right. So let's continue. Now we must just remove all brackets. So we have 5 plus 2. Did you get this point? Negative and negative making positive. And plus 4. Okay, all of them positive. If there's nothing here, it is also positive. So if all positive, I can add them all. So 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 4, 11. I hope it's clear. So this point is important, negative, negative, and this side. And then how can we take them out? Also important. So our answer is 11. If, just think about it, if it is negative for one of these, what you are gonna do? If, for example, let's say it is negative, you are gonna add positive and positive, or if you have more, of course, if same side, so just you will add, and then opposite subtract from others. All right, so our answer is 11. We have done for today. Good luck for your all exams. See you next day. So just let's remind something. If you want to see other videos on the time, so every day we'll try to add one. So I hope you are gonna try and then you are gonna get good mark. Thank you very much. See you next lesson.